Hi everyone, we are Eagle Elevate designers, and today we're gonna present our project on the green wall system. This is a table of content of what we're gonna go over today. This is our team organization chart. I am Zelen Lee, the project manager for this project. The assistant project manager is Lan Liu. The project designer is Zhang Gangxian, and the project financer is Yi Shi, and the salesperson is Ji Jun. Something about us, Eagle Elevate designers seek to provide innovative and sustainable solutions to urban construction. For this project, we seek to create a high quality and customizable green wall system that enhance the aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability of indoor space by reducing noise and refreshing air.
I am Calvin, the product designer of the Eco Elevate designers. Now I'm going to talk about the design part of the green wall. Our green wall is aimed to highlight the sustainable design. So it's important to incorporate green elements in our construction. The main plants used for the green wall is strawberry, but we also use Irish moss as a companion, filling the void area to make the entire wall look green. Both strawberry and Irish moss won't require too much water. And for the support structure, we choose to use wood, and the cedar would be a great choice for the green wall since it's durable, sustainable, and resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage. In addition, the selected cedar needs to be certified by Forest Stewardship Council or the Sustainable Forestry Initiative, which means it's a recyclable, sustainable material with high quality. Moreover, drip irrigation methods and recycled PVC tubes are selected for the irrigation system. Drip irrigation is not only suitable for horizontal wall, but also able to minimize the use of water. And with the help of low flow emitter, soil moisture sensors, pressure regulator, and timer, frequency and amount of delivering water can be precisely controlled to reduce the water use as much as possible. The size of the green wall would be 11 feet high, 11 feet wide, and 6 inches thick. Indoor temperature should be maintained between 60 to 75 degrees, which is suitable for both people and plants. The best lighting condition is to place the green wall facing south. If the condition is not available in the restaurant, LED lights are required to provide lights for 10 to 16 hours per day.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Assistant Project Manager Nancy. For project scheduling, I use the software called Primavera P6. This is work breakdown structure of Great Wall project. I divided the project into 5 phases. The first phase is milestone. The second is planning phase. We need to identify the location and develop a detailed design of Great Wall. Then estimate the budget for the material and the labor cost. The third is procurement phase. The fourth is pre-construction. Before we need to actually build the Great Wall, we need to estimate the schedule for construction activities and hire professional works to do the project. The final phase is the construction phase. I will talk about the phase later. I have added all activity duration and logistic to WBS. The duration spanned from the 3rd of April until the 27th of June, which is about 61 days. You can see on June 26th, we began the pilot stage of the Great Wall, which is construction phase. In this phase, I arranged the sequence of activities for building the Great Wall. The first step in install garden plant, the second step in install support structure, then install backboard, moisture barrier, wire mesh, then install the irrigation system. Then place growing media and fertilize. The last step is plant strawberry. Once all activities are complete, we will have our Great Wall ready for use. Now let me hand it over to my colleague Shi.
Hi everyone, I'm Ishi and I'm the financer in our group. For our project budget, there are two major parts that I want to emphasize. The first is the material cost and the second is the labor cost. For the material cost, we total have 12 items. They are the backer board, moisture barrier, wire mesh, and a garden planter, irrigation system, and also the strawberry plants, growing media, shrub, grass ground cover, potting soil, fertilizer, plant growth light. And from the pie chart, we could know that the most expensive item is the irrigation system. And from the table, it shows the total material cost is the $9,404. Beyond that, for the labor cost, we totally have 4 items. They are install the backer board, install the irrigation system, plant installation, and also install the plant grow lights. The second pie chart shows that install the irrigation system is still the most expensive cost. And the total labor cost is the $750. In addition, we still calculate the 10% of the overhead and the 15% of the profits. And we use the RS means and Home Depot website to get all the unit price. So after the calculation, the overhead is $1,015 and the profits is the $1,523 and the total cost is the $12,692 US dollar.
Now I'm going to talk about risk management. Like any other construction project, this project might have some risk. Two possible risks are schedule delay and over budget. We plan to account for this risk by having detailed schedule and cost estimate prior to the start of construction, and we will also keep monitor the progress throughout the construction phase in order to identify if any risk will happen. Another risk can be unskilled labor. To account for that, we send all our workers to safety trainings and other skill trainings prior to them entering the site. And there could be legal conflict with the owner or scope creep. In order to account for those, we will have detailed conversation with the owner to develop and refine the project scope and the contract in order to make sure there were no related issues. For insufficient material and equipment, we also plan to have detailed list of materials and equipment we need prior to construction, so we can make sure that throughout construction we won't have issues with materials and equipment. And we'll also monitor the supply chain in order to make sure there won't be any shortage in near future. And of course, we will take a look at the cash flow of our own companies and the owner to make sure everybody can pay whatever payment they need to pay.
Hi, my name is Ji Jin, and I'm the salesperson and marketing director of Peak Engineering. For the marketing plan of our green wall, we are looking at the demand market and the target market. So there are three main reasons for the demand of green walls. The first reason is the improvement in air quality. The green walls act as natural purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen into the environment. The second reason is the reducing energy consumption. The green walls can act as insulators, helping to regulate temperatures and reduce the need to use any heating and cooling systems. The third reason is the visual appeal. The green wall can create a visually appealing atmosphere, acting as a natural backdrop and separating different areas. The target market for our green wall product could be businesses and individuals who prioritize sustainability and are interested in incorporating greenery into their indoor-outdoor spaces. And this could include restaurants, cafes, and bars, which are businesses that may want to showcase their commitment to sustainability while creating a welcoming and visually appealing atmosphere. And other places such as offices and commercial buildings that may want to promote a healthier work environment for their employees. And lastly, municipalities and government agencies that may want to incorporate green infrastructure into public spaces to improve the air quality while increasing biodiversity.